Hey food lovers, welcome to the Ultimate Flavor Showdown, where your favorite fast foods go head to head for the top spot, and your opinion decides who takes the crown. So grab your snacks, lock in your choices, and hit subscribe to join the feast. How would you rank the cheeseburger? Where do French fries land on your list? How high would you place burritos? Rank the classic popcorn. What's your score for pepperoni pizza? How would you rank ice cream? Where does the chicken sandwich belong? Rank the veggie burger. How high for the cupcake? Rank those tasty noodles. Where do donuts fall on your list? How would you rate cheesecake? Rank the cozy cornbread. How high for French toast? Where would you rank marshmallows? What rank are you giving to curly fries? How would you score grilled cheese? Where do sliders land for you? Rank that fried rice. How high for chicken soup? Where would you place egg rolls? Be honest, how do you rank pineapple pizza? What's your score for pickle pizza? Rank the chicken nuggets. How high for onion rings? Where does Coca-Cola belong on your list? Rank those fluffy waffles. How would you rate Twinkies? Rank the comfort of mac and cheese. Where would you put cotton candy? How do you rank a good pretzel? Rank those delicious dumplings. How spicy high does chili potato go? Rank the loaded nachos. What do you think of loaded fries? How would you rank chicken tenders? What about fried chicken? Rank the fun corn dog. How high for hot dogs? Rank the creamy milkshake. Thank you for watching the video. We hope you had a great time on our channel. If you did, make sure to hit the subscribe button for more fun games like this, and see you in the next video.